Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a refund from HostGator hosting service. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you want to get a full refund, all you will have to do is go ahead on the chat support. After that, this will pop up. Now, you want to go ahead and choose support for existing products. Then you're going to choose web hosting. And then you're going to choose billing. After that, you want to cancel products or services. And now you will need to enter your first and last name to provide to the agent. Now you will need to go ahead and enter the domain name, which you want to go ahead and cancel with. So I'm just going to enter it. Now, why you want to go get a full refund. So for example, I want to get a get a refund for hosting package, and now they will get someone who can help us. Now you may need to wait a little bit, but as you may see, they contacted me like in a few minutes. So basically you will write down what the issue is, why you want to cancel, and they will gladly refund you. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.